Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines for today's school morning assembly. Army's help brings major improvements in government school near LOC in Jammu and Kashmir's Poonch. Gujarat records highest single day surge of 17,119 COVID 19 cases. Respect religious sentiment. Christians in Manipur want poll date change. All Manipur Christian Organization on Tuesday urge the Election Commission to reschedule the first phase of assembly polls. 8-foot python rescued from power substation in Delhi's Okhla. 2.38 lakh new COVID cases, positivity down from 19.65% to 14.43%, 10 points. And now some international news. Desperate Afghans queue for free bread as poverty crisis deepens. UAE Minister Dials S. Jaishankar condoles death of Indians in drone attack. US State Secretary to visit Ukraine amid Russian invasion fears. Cyber attacks surge amid COVID-driven digitalization. World Economic Forum study. And now some sports news. Practical idea to have stopgap arrangement. Dilip Vengsarkar names two options for India Test captaincy. Second one-day international highlights. Zimbabwe defeats Sri Lanka by 22 runs level series. And these were today's news headlines. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.